Hi, is Michelle Coughlin, tá mé gobar I Gaillimh. Is car nach áitiúlaí Gaillimh, tá seirbhísí agan de daoine gan díodin, de mrágus páistí atá ag foilint deoir drochaíde baile, agus tá seirbhísí agan freisin de cheanóirí. Tá 170 fostaithe agus 180 eibrithe deonacha agan. So respect is one of the values that we live by here at Galway, and when we communicate with native Irish speakers, it nurtures that sense of culture, diversity and respect that we value so much here at Galway. And at this stage we have at least one competent Irish speaker across our services in homelessness, in domestic abuse service and in senior support service, and when necessary we can call on somebody to come along if we need them. Since entering the Gradam, we found the whole exercise to be extremely engaging actually for the staff at Galway, because we're such a big organisation. We've got 12 locations around the city, that it's a nice way to kind of have a bit of fun with each other when we're interacting as well. So especially here now at the main office in Galway, we have a Portuguese HR manager who always signs her email at the end of the week as "Biach Dearasachtaí Neamhbhreabúis Eile."